Can you delete a Shopify store without paying? Obviously, the answer would be no. You can't fully delete your Shopify store without settling your account first. Shopify requires that all unpaid charges and billing fees be cleared before you can officially deactivate your store. Once that's done, you're free to close your store through the proper process. Here's a step-by-step guide to closing your Shopify store properly. First, you have to save a backup of your data. Before you shut down anything, make sure to export key info like your customer list, product data, and order history. This process is permanent, so having backups can save you from future headaches. Next, cancel all apps and subscriptions. Go to your apps section and uninstall anything active. Also, cancel any third-party services connected to your store to stop recurring charges. Settle any outstanding payments. Check for any pending fees or invoices. You'll need to be clear of all balances before Shopify lets you proceed with store deactivation. Next, deactivate your store. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to Settings, then Plan. Scroll to the bottom and click Deactivate Store. Select a reason for leaving and enter your password to confirm. Confirm store closure. After you complete the steps, Shopify will send a confirmation email. Your store will officially close at the end of your current billing cycle. An optional step, request full data deletion. If you want Shopify to permanently erase all your store and customer data, contact Shopify support within 14 days of closing. Shopify may retain some information for up to 2 years due to legal requirements. Important reminders: you cannot legally avoid paying. Trying to skip charges breaks Shopify's rules and could have legal consequences. This method follows the official Shopify process and keeps you fully compliant with both Shopify's policies. This tutorial is for educational purposes only, promoting ethical actions and avoiding any kind of fraud or misconduct. And that would be all for this video. I'll see you on the next one.